Toyota unveiled the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado, or 250 series in the United States market. Retro-style US market 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser features different styling from the larger Land Cruiser 300 series. The new off-roader is based on the brand's TNGA-F underpinnings, shared with the full-size 300 series cruiser and Lexus GX. Unlike the latest generation LC 300 series that arrived in 2021 to replace the LC 200, the new retro-style 2024 Land Cruiser for the US market is the less expensive Prado version with shorter wheelbase and smaller engine. The 300 series Land Cruiser is the larger of this pair, though its wheelbase was unchanged from its 200 series predecessor. With the new 250 series Prado adopting the same GA-F underpinnings as the 300 series, the gap between Jumbo and Junior has closed significantly. The pair share identical wheelbases. The 250 series moves its spare tire under the floor with no on-the-door option. It's 95mm longer than the old Prado and the same interval wider, as well as 10mm taller and riding on a 60mm longer wheelbase. Toyota's bigger Land Cruiser 300 also boasts better off-road credentials, with an extra 24mm ground clearance and preferable approach-departure angles. Inside, the 250 series Prado and 300 series Land Cruiser have similar features and technology. Blocky squoval cabin design details, integrated twin screens, and Toyota's signature automatic gear shift feature in both. Choosing either the 250 series or 300 series means you can have 5 or 7 seats, variant dependent. Various trim levels of Prado will be offered, with exact grades to be determined next year. Engines in North America, the Prado employs a 2.4-litre turbo petrol hybrid that produces 243 kW and 630 Nm. This limits towing capacity to around 2,700 kg. The Land Cruiser 300 series, though, does get the big motor. A 3.3-litre twin-turbo diesel V6 effortlessly churns out 227 kW and generates 700 Nm between 1600 to 600 RPM. With a 10-speed torque converter auto on board, the tractable 300 series retains on-paper supremacy over the Junior Prado.